జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. 116th నామం ఫ్రమ్ శ్రీ విష్ణు సహస్రనామం. ఓం బహుశిరసే నమః. హో శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, యు ఆర్ ద వన్ who is praised by Vedas, Purusha Suktam, like Sahasra Sirsha Purushaha. Purusha Suktam is praising you that you have thousands of heads. O Srimannarayana, you are the one who is in the form of the Adisesha, which has thousands of hoods and bearing this entire earth and taking care of this entire earth. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your divine feet. Om Bahusirase Namaha. Om Bahusirase Namaha. Visualizing such a wonderful form of Srimannarayana in the form of Adisesha, which has thousands of hoods and bearing this entire earth, with that kind of visualization, with meditation upon Srimannarayana, and with the thought process that Srimannarayana is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana, Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.